far back can I go?
Keep going. Oh, yeah. Straight into the car, eh?
Do I reckon spoil off?
No. No.
What happened there?
That'll show the environment.
Make sure that grab me hard.
Yep, did.
Back into that corner there. Is that working?
Yeah.
Yep. What's that? 2.5, is it? Is that redback?
2.5, no mufflers.
Straight pipe redback. Is the sticker suggesting where it came from or where it's going? Oh, what's this little stick hanging out of the centre console here? That little thing with numbers on it.
Is it Manuel?
It's Manuel.
Well, I've already got this. I prepared this earlier, and we'll just. Is that
Uh-oh.
stronger?
Where did that go?
Oh no! Well, you kick it under the door.
They kicked the pin off fucking tow bar.
Oh, well, we owe Will a pin.
Where did it go?
Look, I'm just going to say in the paddock.
Okay, I'll just remove everything I've already done.
Yep. Ready?
Yep. I didn't think we were going to put this much into it.
Professionals, mate.
I might just have to buy in a bar because that's going to look good hitting the wall at Archie.
Don't let Luke think. No, you're going to go wreck his wall. Get upset.
Oh, I thought we were dealing with what we had, and then all of a sudden you've got all the right tools there.
You had the right tools to start with, yeah. Oh, you found the pin?
Yeah, look.
Just keep that winch pin. Look at this.
Plenty of practice looking for the pin. I didn't see that rust there.
All drive.
You drive the ED drift car.
Remember that phase that he went through when he pulled out all the steering wheels in every car he bought? Strong.
That has no steering rack.
Oh,
So it's a two-person job, mate. That's a J3 chip we got in it. Ben parked his car out the back here. So that's how he got here. Got no licence.
Mine's electric. Out there where the diff is. The good diff. The best diff that we have.
What's the best diff we have?
That 3/4 horse.
It's a 340.
Yeah, the ultimate.
The ultimate in performance differentials.
Alright. I don't recall this.
Ben, what are you doing?
I've done this before.
I got my side in like the first go.
No.
Here's Ben. Still going.
Yeah.
A few hours later. Can you get that in, mate, or what?
Oh, see that? And it slides straight in like that.
First go.
God, I'm good.
What are you doing? Well,
I'm going to put a spool in for Benny boy. So he can
Will he be okay with this?
grip.
Will he be alright with the spill?
Mate, I don't know if you know Ben, but
You be alright with the spill, Ben, and all that power from the Barra?
look,
he can drift in.
if I can't sit first gear, the spool's not going to help me, so I'm really not worried about losing traction or dying.
But you got a Barra, mate. You got all the power in the world.
He's really got me a good shirt.
Yeah, I ripped up your good shirt.
That was the one I was going to wear to dinner tonight.
I know you can't go to dinner tonight.
So you knock pins out before you do that. I learned that from a great man once. If you take that cram off and it moves, you never get it apart. Then you got to find your sockets, which would be the wrong size.
It's perfectly the wrong size.
See that L? See that L?
It means Loose? Leave them loose.
Means left-hand thread.
Left hand thread, so the reverse thread. So they don't fall out.
Which doesn't happen. What's that thing? Your barras,
Flywheel bolts.
flywheel, coming loose.
You need to weld them, I seen on the video the other day.
Yeah, you
Tack weld them on, otherwise they just fall off there.
And by rights, should come apart.
Right, so we go to the part. Mentioned before, reverse, left hand thread bolts, hold the pinion on. Sorry, the crown wheel. Yeah, so we're going to put a spool on this, a mini spool. So if someone said full spool, they're talking about this whole thing being a billet plate, or billet, one piece, machined out of steel. Mini spool, get rid of these things. You join the axles together. Then join the spool to the centre through the pins, and then you've got a mini spool. Make sense? That's how we roll them today. Mini spool into borgwarner.
Far into the housing here. Just learn from my mistakes. Uh-oh. 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 Do as I say, not as I do. You feel me? Oh, alright, let's have a look. Pin. Try this one. Surely that's... Am I right? Yeah, we're right. Jesus Christ. Alright. He's done it again. Might even take that off there first. Alright. These are the bits that you weld if you pull. You got to take the long pin out, because these two obviously push into it if you try and knock them out first.
So long pin first.
Long dong first.
Long pin. That one's still knocking out. I'm gonna slam like that.
You pop him out. Pop him out. Of course. Of course. You pop him out. You pop him out. You pop him out. And you grab your spool, which is placed.
What'd you do with that spool? No, you had it. No, you definitely had it. I didn't. Why would I want it? Me?
Yeah, you physically had it, you got
Me?
Yeah, oh, got it. Okay.
Oh, there it is over there. Ben left it.
Like I don't have it.
Yeah. There you go. Look, thanks, Ben. Who has it?
Left it in my area.
The shim. Put it in the right way. And that spaces it up enough for that to where the pins are. We got a pin there? Somewhere like that. And then the other one in here, just put a little bit of Vaseline on there to hold it up and do that.
Where's the Vass go, mate?
Just anywhere around that ring.
Vass around the ring. Plenty of Vass on the ring. Then penetration.
And then you make sure that works. Knock some pins.
Well, we need the crown wheel off the other one before we put the crown wheel off.
Yeah. Or we can knock pins.
We can do pins, yeah.
I need someone
Hey,
else.
Ben.
Yeah, I'm working hard.
Ben's over there.
Yeah, look, before we go too far, Ben,
I need a fourth plate.
this only has one hole. So that pin goes through both those plates in that hole. So you need to get that straight when you put it in. Sounds difficult, and it is. But these ones obviously go in there. You only got 3 pins. Short ones go in there. It's common sense really, line them up before you do it.
Yeah,
Short ones.
so you get 3 pins, 1, 2, 3, and they line up with those 3 pins. The other side doesn't have one because it's blank, just goes through.
There you go, champions.
Fucking honest.
Just to make this job a little bit easier. This requires 2 people. Alright,
Do that up.
I'll do that up a little bit. No, back it off. There we go again. Yeah, look, that'll have to do it.
That was beautiful. That doesn't work.
Just hold it. I want that slippery shit off my hands and then just send it.
It always looks hard on video, but it's not.
Alright, so I've hit the spool. This is something we didn't show you before, but see this pin, sharp edge? This roll pin? Now look at this side. Rolled edge. That's to guide your pin in when you hit it in from the top, because you've got to hit it in through that.
Look how many handbrakers I've done.
Oh, fuck me.
That's how many handbrakers I've done. Cracked it straight through because power.
That's terrible. How'd that happen?
Handbrakers.
I don't think so.
Look at that, people. Here's a little tip for you. A little tip, if you're not confident, you get the old bench grinder. Put a bigger chamfer on your pins. Trust me. Trust me. Easy as that. It's as easy as that. If you can actually hit the pin and not the housing.
All right, now not that crown wheel, but we'll get the 345 crown wheel and bang it on the on that centre.
What
What are you doing, Ben? Just chilling, eh? Don't worry, we don't want that crown wheel anyway.
Alright, we don't have to go.
Yeah, you don't have to go to dinner at 6.
I do. Where's the crap? What do you want from me?
We need that crown wheel over there.
You don't?
Yeah, we do. That's yours. Well, you're going to put a 308 crown wheel into your 345s.
No.
You need that on that.
Look on your housing over a framer.
With that in your housing. Looks like you could have just used spray cans. Probably would have
Could
turned
have,
out
but didn't have it. All I had was.
You do. I bought 4 cans of the best satin black from Super Cheap.
Where'd you get that from?
That was on the rattle gun.
Yeah, this is.
Where's the rattle gun?
What have they done?
It's a different centre.
What have we done?
What have we done?
What
Have we done?
The thread should be the same.
What do we do now?
It's just under there. You want to hold it under there so it doesn't damage the thing. No. I think it's meant to be on the other side.
What? Sorry, I'm just trying to make your job easy, but you're not working with me.
Hello. What's going on?
How you doing?
Oh, flat out. Yeah, right, so I was there.
Fuck.
Nah.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's all good.
Lucky you got that in video. Turn the pin to make sure it spins free. That. It's
And
delicious.
that is how you
Spool
do it.
diff.
Yeah.